greenhouse is, the roof on it's been absolutely trashed, which is a little bit of a shame, but hello, look at where we are today. Right, so we're down the allotment. There's Michelle. It's been a while since we've been down here, to be honest with you, and we've had quite a few fairly large storms. Like, I think we had one storm about a month ago and the gusts were hitting like 8 miles an hour, so a bit of a beast really, with work, with everything that's going on, family, sickness, all the usual nonsense that goes on in life. We've neglected the allotment, but spring is almost here, sort of, and so we're going to get back at it. Look, you can see it looks alright state, doesn't it? Like, the fence has been broken, and well, look, I'll turn you around, you can have a look. So the fence is damaged. Obviously, I would imagine that's happened in the wind. We've got some beds that are still sorted. The greenhouse is, the roof on it's been absolutely trashed, which is a little bit of a shame, but that's not the end of the world. None of this is the end of the world, really. I'll take you up and show you the state of the greenhouse. But all things considered, with those storms that we've had, I'm quite pleased with it, really. Yes, it looks terrible, but you know, it's just a bit of plastic. So plastic, the roof's got to be sorted, but the side panel is fine. The back wall's fine, that side panel's fine. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to strip off this plastic, because it's making a lot of noise. That's quite irritating. Oh, I don't know if you can see, the water butt was up to here, and now it's down to here. So it was repaired by the previous person who owned it, and that repair is not working anymore. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to go pick up some flex tape and slap it on there and see if that fixes it, I reckon. And yeah, so get rid of all of this dead growth. We're going to bring the lawnmower down here, cut all of the grass back, get rid of all the big clods of grass and nonsense that are getting in the way, fix the fence, and go from there. So that's what we're going to do. There we go, look, so it's not perfect, but we've got rid of most of the flapping stuff apart from that, but I can't reach that. But yeah, stacked all in the corner. What we'll do is we'll have to start again, won't we? Like, that's not a problem. Such is life. I mean, like, quite impressed really, considering this side is the one that takes the majority of the wind. And as you can hear, we've not really had any issues with it. Just it got underneath the roof and tore the roof out. So yeah, what can you do? Ideally, I suppose you put polycarbonate on or something, but it's not cheap. So maybe we need to do more joists. So maybe we need to put a ridge board in along the centre, because you can see this one's broke here. Pop some more battens in down this way, and then what we can do is we can put the plastic over the top and then fit the battens on the top, like what we've done here. And that seems to have worked pretty well, so maybe that'll be the best thing to do. But yeah, let's get on with the tidying and maybe have a fire and a little bit of wine, I think. Well, so we got all the dry growth cleared, all the dead stuff, got all that cleared off, and got some of the rubbish taken away, got a few things squared away. However, the old lawnmower is shot, so I have to take that apart in the morning and get it fixed, and then come down and mow everything and make it look a little bit nicer. But for the time being, have some wine. And how else would you have some wine other than a VW transport mug and a Del Boy Kushti mug, eh? Happy days. Bit more for luck, eh? Awesome. It's one for the lady, and put a Del Boy with some rosé in. I think Del Boy would approve. Morning! Right then, so here we are. I brought this down the workshop because it's just been a bit of a pain to do it at home, because I have all the tools at the workshop, but I clearly don't because they've all gone missing, so we're sort of making do at the moment, but I'll show you where we're at. So this is the carb. I've taken this out, and we had a bit of water in there, nothing major, but lots of gunk as well. So I'm gonna take the fuel pipe off, drain that, take all of this out, clean all of this. I've had the spark plug off and cleaned and readjusted that now, because it was disgusting, like it was proper coked up. And the air filter is looking really shoddy and dry as well, so that's no good. So we're going to clean that out, re-oil that, and put it back together, I think. Right, so we'll try and take this off without making too much of a mess. So I don't know if you can see that, but it doesn't look particularly clear, does it? So I'm guessing there's a bunch of water in there. So that's probably the best thing for us to empty this out. So we'll clean this out as well, and then do the carb now. I would say we've definitely had a problem with water getting in there. Look, see all that rust. Oh well, we'll clean it all out, make it look nice and pretty, and then put it back together. Because, well, yeah, that's what we'll do. So the carb's all cleaned out now. I've got the gasket over here. I'm going to put everything back together. Yeah, the water that was in the fuel is no good. So, but I think that's probably got something to do with the amazing repair on the filler cap. So I think we probably need to get another one of those. And yeah, I should get all this back together. It needs some new seals and stuff, but I'm not going to bother unless we can get it mostly working, and then I'll get it fixed properly. But yeah, happy days. So we're done for today. Well, for the most part, I think. We've got everything cleared up. I've popped some bits and pieces out, and yeah. Should we have a look? Let's have a look. I'm shut. So obviously not fix the gate, but I've been doing a few things. Look, so we scrape this back so it fits perfectly now. And then yeah, here is the allotment. Now, obviously it's not as nice as these and these, but this is just a couple of afternoons worth of work. Not cleared this one out. This one has got some plants and bulbs and stuff in, so Michelle's going to come and do that later. Scraped around here, popped some plastic on this one, cleaned around this area. What we'll do is we'll just take you for a walk through. So put a whole bunch of stuff in here last year, and there are bulbs and bits and pieces, so Michelle wanted to clear that herself. Found some plastic, laid it out on this one, because that one was a bit of a mess. Cleaned all the paths up as best that I can. You can't really see it on camera, but I've raked this bed out. Again, cleared around here, raked and turned over this bed. Got some little carrots there. Hey, left over from last year, I guess. And yeah, there was quite a mound there because it used to be a load of horseradish. So I've cleaned that out, cleared out around this, and yeah, that's just about where we're at. Got a tasty little frothy right there. Also cleaned around here and done around here. What do you reckon? Hey, I'm quite pleased with it. It's not perfect, but like, it's a step in the right direction, which I think is super important at the moment. It's so nice being down here. Like, you can't even, like, the road's only over there and you can't really hear the road, so it's beautiful. I shall blind you with the sunshine. But yeah, so obviously we've got the roof to sort out on there and a whole bunch of stuff. We've got plants to put in, we've got a whole bunch of seeds and seedlings, all that sort of stuff down the workshop coming up. I think it was a nice little project, nice little thing to do over the weekend. Well, a couple of afternoons anyway, innit? It's that sort of spring, sorry, there's a cat over there. It's that sort of spring afternoon where it's like hot when the sun's out and freezing when it goes in. But yeah, what do you reckon, eh? Are you impressed? Are you not impressed? Do you have any advice? The soil is super clayey, like clumps, like clods of it. So if you've got any ideas on what we can do, low cost ideas, that would be awesome. Because the people who own the allotments, or the house that owns the allotments, they have said that they're going to be taking this so many away in 2 years or something. So it's not a forever home, not a forever garden or allotment. But so we don't want to spend a huge amount of money on it, but we do want to be able to get food from it. So if you have any ideas, that would be awesome. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. And if you enjoy my stuff, subscribe, that'd be great. If you have any comments, suggestions, please drop them down below. If you'd like to see more allotment stuff, let me know. I'm shattered. I'm going to enjoy my property and go home and have a barbecue. It's going to be awesome. You'll take it easy, you have fun, and I'll see you on the next one. Can you see the bunnies? Look. There he is. There's one there. There's another one over here. Where'd they go?